Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm Tanya and this is Creations with Tanya. Today I'm going to try again a swipe like the last one I did, but I'm hoping that all the paint won't fall off the canvas this time. And I'm gonna try maybe doing some sort of like wave design in it, and then I'm gonna do a swipe, palette swipe with it. Cell Activator is titanium white, Amsterdam, and Floetrol. And I'm gonna use all the same colors as I used in the previous one. The only difference is one of the colors I added white to, and that's about it, just to give it a lighter color. I'm gonna flood my canvas, and when I'm done I will bring you back and we'll start putting on some paints. All right, be right back. Okay, I have put my pillow bait paint down, and it is Glidden Essentials interior paint, white base. And I'll just go over quickly the colors I have. I have Amsterdam, Phthalo Turquoise blue, and I've also added some TLP, this little Piggy Lagoon to it. And then I have this little Piggy Lagoon right here. And then I have Windsor Newton Phthalo blue, and I added some Amsterdam titanium white to it to lighten it up. That's that. And then for the orangey red color, I have Deep Red by Artist Loft and Cadmium Orange by Artist, and this is Cadmium Orange right here by Artist Loft. And then I also have Brilliant Yellow and Cadmium Orange, and they're both Artist Loft. I mixed those two together to get this color. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, here's the close-up. Sorry, I don't have it the right way. I honestly don't know which way this should go, but let me give you a close-up. Sorry if there's any glare from the lights. I love the lacing. I love the colors. I just wish it was tighter. Like the waves were tighter. Or the squiggly line. And there we go. Sorry, my light's right in there. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.